Привіт-привіт, my dear students. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say I need in Ukrainian language. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали. Yes, поїхали means let's get it started. Поїхали. So, there are two forms how to say I need in Ukrainian language, and if you want to say I need vacation, I need some water, we use a noun after it, so you have to follow gender, and you use such forms as потрібен, потрібна, потрібне, and потрібні. So let me explain more. So when you say I need, and then you use a masculine gender noun, you use the form потрібен, and here in this construction we put a pronoun I in the dative case. So if you need to say I need a telephone, you say мені потрібен телефон. Мені потрібен телефон. Literally, this construction can be translated as a telephone is needed for me or to me. And you can see again, мені, this is I in the dative case because this construction required to use this case. Потрібен masculine form and telephone just an object here, and this is the nominative case. Мені потрібен телефон. So again, telephone, a masculine gender noun, so we use this form потрібен. Let's continue. Feminine gender, жіночий рід. Мені потрібна книга. I need a book. Мені потрібна книга. Again, this construction, мені, I in the dative case, потрібна. Feminine form of this word need here, because the word книга is the feminine gender, so everything should be in agreement. Again, if you want to say мені потрібне диво, I need miracle. Так, мені потрібне диво. Диво і the neuter gender noun, середній рід, so we use the form потрібне. Neuter, agreement. Okay, мені потрібне диво. Also we use plural, множина. For example, you want to say I need answers. I need answers. Мені потрібні, plural, відповіді. Мені потрібні відповіді. You can say, Ina, it's a little bit strange construction. In Ukrainian, потрібний, потрібна, потрібне, потрібні, these forms have the same endings as adjective. Yes, you're right. This construction here, it required to use I in the dative case, plus these forms as for the adjective. But in English, need, to need, it is the verb all the time. And you can ask me, okay, if I want to say I need to go, I need to do something, I need to, to cook, etc. Then you use such construction as мені потрібно, and then you use infinitive form of the verb. Наприклад, мені потрібно вчити промову. I need to learn a speech. Мені потрібно вчити infinitive verb and промову. Here it is accusative case because after the verbs, when we use objects, they are in the accusative case. Мені потрібно. So let's repeat again this first way how to say I need something. So when you use after this construction I need a noun, then you have to make an agreement between this form need, which is the adjective in Ukrainian language here, it has the same form, and gender of the noun. Like мені потрібен телефон, masculine, мені потрібна книга, feminine, мені потрібне чудо, neuter, мені потрібні відповіді, plural. And when you use the verb, then you use it in the infinitive form in its basic form. Like, мені потрібно вчити промову. I need to learn a speech. Another way how to say I need, and it is easier a little bit because we just take the verb потребувати. Потребувати means to need. Потребувати. And if you need to use it, you have to conjugate it. So how we do it? I need, я потребую, ти потребуєш, він, вона, воно потребує, ми потребуємо, ви потребуєте, вони потребують. Вони потребують. Okay, so, and also I need to tell you that after this verb потребувати, we need to use genitive case. Так, we need to use the genitive case when you say to need something. Let's make examples. Я потребую допомоги. I need some help. Я потребую допомоги. Ти потребуєш підготовки. You need preparation. Ти потребуєш підготовки. Він потребує розуміння. He needs understanding. Він потребує розуміння. Вона потребує підказки. She needs a tip. Вона потребує підказки. Воно потребує прихистку. It needs shelter. Воно потребує прихистку. Ми потребуємо миру. We need peace. Ми потребуємо миру. Ви потребуєте відповідей. You need answers. Ви потребуєте відповідей. And вони потребують поваги. They need respect. Вони потребують поваги. My dear friends, if you want to figure out what is the dative case and how to conjugate the verbs in Ukrainian language, then I would like to invite you to my course From Absolute Beginner to a Confident Speaker. The 6th edition of it will be launched on August 22. The registration is open now, so please check out more details about my course, the description of this video. There you'll find a link. And at my website speaky.com, my lovely school Speak Ukrainian offer you the textbooks, flashcards, courses, blog that you may find very useful for learning Ukrainian language. Please check it out. Support Ukraine, support me on Patreon. Also, you can buy a t-shirt and save Ukrainian life from my charity store. Thank you so much. Check out my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Ina and Papa. Bye bye.